Apple previewed iOS 26 at WWDC, and probably the biggest change was the new liquid glass design. And while folks have a lot of opinions about how attractive it is or how easy it is to read, there are a bunch of other iOS 26 features that deserve your attention. This is All Things Mobile, and let's get into iOS 26. So, iOS 26 is the follow-up to iOS 18 and will be released this fall. Now, Apple will release a public beta version of iOS 26 in July, but right now, the developer beta for iOS 26 is out, and I've been using the second developer beta, which is a very early version of the software that is specifically aimed at software developers. So, here are a handful of iOS 26 features, big and small, that I'd like to show you. Everybody has their own personal relationship with their alarm clock. Some even have snoozing down to an art form, but Apple has made it so you can choose how you snooze, or at least how long you want to. Up to now, you've been able to snooze on your alarms for the iPhone, but it's always been set at 9 minutes, which dates back to the 1950s when the snooze bar or dream bar was first introduced. Now in iOS 26, when you schedule an alarm in the clock app, you can also input how long you want to snooze for. You can choose between 1 and 15 minutes. Happy sleeping, folks. This next feature is for those of you on an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. In iOS 26, there's a new feature called Adaptive Power. And when your battery usage is higher than normal, the iPhone will use machine learning to make small performance adjustments and extend your phone's battery life. For those moments, some activities might take a little longer and your screen's brightness might automatically get a little lower. Adaptive Power, unlike low power mode, lets you keep your connectivity and things like background fetch active. Think of Adaptive Power as your first step for saving your battery life. Adaptive Power is an opt-in feature that you can find in Settings, Battery, and Power Mode. If you have a bunch of different message groups with a lot of the same people in them, you can now add a background image to the thread to make them easier to tell apart. There are a number of very attractive animated backgrounds like these ones of a sky at different times of day, but you can also use photos. To add them, open up a group thread in Messages, tap on the group thread's name if you have one, then go to the New Backgrounds section and, well, have fun. If you're on an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence, there is a really nice addition you can get for search. Visual Intelligence now lets you search, ask questions with the content on your iPhone's screen. Essentially, when you take a screenshot and the screenshot editor pops up, you can now highlight a portion of the screen grab that you'd like to know more about. Then you could either start a Google image search based on what you highlighted or send as a prompt to ChatGPT. The Games app is new to iOS 26 and is your one-stop shop for games. It's kind of a combo of the old Games Center, Apple Arcade, and the App Store all in one. There is a home section showing your favorite games, as well as recommendations for other new games, and the selection isn't limited to just Apple Arcade. It includes any games in the App Store. And when you play a game, you can bring up a new overlay that lets you change the brightness of your screen or connect with controllers and adjust the sound. The overlays options vary from game to game. There is so much more going on in iOS 26, and these are just a handful of features that I recommend you try. Speaking of that, iOS 26 runs on the iPhone 11 and newer, and if you can't wait until the fall to try it out, I suggest waiting until the public beta version comes out in July. And by the way, you should run it not on your main phone because, well, it's still a beta. So now I'd like to hear from you. What are your favorite iOS 26 features? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more All Things Mobile. Thank you for watching.